Flatbed trailer safety tips. Flatbed trailers are an extremely popular choice for transporting heavy or large items. However, it is important to remember that these trailers can be dangerous if not used properly. Here are a few key safety tips to keep in mind when using flatbed trailers. Always inspect your trailer before loading and driving with it. Check for any damage or wear and tear, and make sure all of the parts are functioning correctly. When loading your items onto a flatbed trailer, always use appropriate safety equipment like straps, chains, or slings to keep them secure. Never overload your trailer beyond its capacity, as this can cause it to become unstable and tip over. When driving with your flatbed trailer, ensure you are familiar with the vehicle's weight limits and that you drive carefully to avoid any dangerous situations on the road. If you have any questions or concerns about using a flatbed trailer safely, be sure to consult a professional or experienced driver for guidance. With a little care and attention, you can safely enjoy the many benefits of using flatbed trailers for transporting your goods. By following these simple tips, you can ensure the safety and stability of your flatbed trailer at all times.